Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lacerte Tax for CPA processes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for Lacerte Tax for CPA processes, begin by visiting the official Lacerte Tax website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the upper right corner. Click the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. If you do not have an account yet, look for the Create Account link and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill out the required fields, which typically include your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your details, review the information for accuracy. Next, read through the terms and conditions provided on the page. If you agree to the terms, check the box to confirm your acceptance. Once everything is filled out correctly, click the Submit button to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Lacerte Tax. If you don't see it, remember to check your spam folder. Open the email and click on the link provided to verify your account. After verification, return to the Lacerte Tax login page. Enter your email address and password to log in to your new account. Once logged in, you will be guided through the initial setup process. This may include setting up your profile and preferences for your tax practice. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your setup. After setting up your profile, you can explore the dashboard for various tools and features. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available resources. Now you're ready to begin using Lacerte Tax for your CPA processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.